We apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. We introduce a metal opening tool. We use a plastic card to cut the adhesive. We release the screws of the middle frame. For that, we use a professional Phillips screwdriver. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Very carefully, we remove the upper antenna. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Now, let's remove the metal bracket. Remove the charging flex. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process. the device is working.